Okwayibopha kuzoyikhulula. Ngasho le ndlela singakayiqali ukuthi ukubophezela kumkhonto naku kubopha shuthi wena kusazomela futhi ukhulule. Senikhohliwe nini ukuthi nizalwa ngobani? Before umkhonto was launched, there were different political parties dominating the political space of South Africa. Today, a year later, a year and 6 months later, Umkhonto is number 1 as the topic of South African politics. You, when as umuntu wabophezelela kumkhonto, it's high time you understand what is happening. Nikhule ngesiZulu, sisho isiZulu sithi kukhonkotwa ehambayo emile ziyayichamela. You get it? Umkhonto ke uyile ehambayo. Emile izalela inkukhu. And that's not umkhonto. Umkhonto akusuka ukufukamela amaqanda. Umkhonto usucasha amagundwane. Umkhonto uyile ehambayo ekhonkotwa izinja. Engathani ngizwa. Ngithi it's high time you regain focus and see what is happening. Understand what is happening. In you understanding, you'll find ukuthi umkhonto lo wamandulo wayi movement that operated outside the confines zepolitiki as a military motion of taking back power. Manje sesine access yokungena in the political arena, the political ring, to fight our battles. Kwakusha amathayi, kuqhumwa sesol. Igebengu zakudala zazi understand, zazi more politically conscious. That's why they even called abantu bamasuti or amachata, la ama-sellouts, because the true rebellion understood the true revolution, and the true revolution was outside the confines zepolitiki in those times. But lesikhathi sesiphila kuso, umkhonto ungenile kwi-arena, and the way it is moving, abantu nam abawu understand ingqikithi yomkhonto umhlaba. The chief aim of umkhonto, it is to bring back the land. Business as a mechanism to bringing back the land doesn't work for the natives. Politics as a vehicle of bringing back the land doesn't work for the natives, because those two systems are designed in a foreign land to dominate and control what has been taken forcefully and otherwise. So umkhonto proves not to be a political party. In law, there is what you call form over substance, or substance over form. So the true substance and ingqikithi yomkhonto is a rebellion. But the form of umkhonto is politics. When there are strategical changes taking place, you as Umkhonto mustn't be confused. Allow the situation to unfold. If you are not privy of information, do not speculate. Do not try and be creative. Try and understand what is happening. The aim here is to understand what is happening so that you don't fall in the wrong side of history. Umkhonto is in a form of a political party, but the substance of Umkhonto is not political. So sometimes you will think certain decisions favor the progression of the revolution, or they are against the progression of the revolution. Because when you come with this mere understanding, Linda, try and understand what is happening. Ikhonkotwa kanjena nje i-political party yethu, it's because it is in progress. It is shape shifting. Wambona uGoku esewubambe kanje ibhola i-Dragon's Ball Z, because he was rising to the top and everyone could see him and the enemies could target and shoot him easily. The people on the ground fought his wars, and that's what we need to do for Umkhonto. As it transforms, or as it becomes what it is, in revealing to you, protect it. Because this is what keeps them unable to sleep. Abakwazi ukulala ngenxa yalento. Ningayidedeli lento. Befethu ningayidedeli lento. Ngiyantshela mina ningayidedeli lento. Everyone, 2026 nansi into esivotelayo. Ningadidiseki. Ningadidiseki. Abanye will make you hate your leader for taking a decision, for being decisive. They will make you hate your leader. They will create internal squabbles. They will burn shirts and t-shirts. No, not of this revolution. No one who understands what is happening here will ever burn this. Ageko. Moses is in a frustration of not understanding, and you've built loyalty to humans over than this. Take a break, phefumula. Because you're in the land, and it's gonna be a roller coaster ride. Think about this. The moment sabamba the helms of power, ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Sisasikhonkotha no 18%, 15%. Hayibo, really? Yindaba kanti yini lesiphethe? Siphethe yini? Choma ufuna ukubona intombi yakho ukuthi baba kangakanani. Bothatha ithombe zayo lehlezi kusendela zona bese ufaka lapha kuTinder. Bese ulinda ama request ukuthi azobanga kanani. They will give you a perspective of what you are carrying and you are undermining. They will give you a glimpse of what you are undervaluing. Inkulu lento. Inkulu lento. Inkulu lento.